Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this sewing machine right here. Let's go ahead and get right into this, and we're going to see everything that comes in here. So you have your instruction manual right there that it comes with. So it does come packaged like this. It looks like it's kind of already set up. It even has fabric that they kind of sewed in it. Now this is like a beginner type of sewing machine. We're gonna put this, plug it in right there. You have your power cord. So this actually looks pretty cool. You see all the fun different things that it has, different sewing patterns and stuff. Now, my brother-in-law actually sews professionally. He's a fashion designer. Let me see where you plug this in on the back side over here. Okay, make sure that's off because it kind of went crazy. Okay. It has some extra feet, some little pins and stuff to where you can pin stuff together. This is the foot so that you're going to be able to step on it when you want to use it, which is nice. So that's also going to plug in right beside this foot part back here. So you can see. So if you just have it on, it's just going to automatically go. So it has that. Let's see everything that's in here. This should go up here. That's going to keep that on. They have a little thing that you can scan to. And it looks like it came with some fabric. So let me go ahead. Check this out. I actually got this for my daughter, which is funny because I had already got this, and then my brother-in-law was moving and he decided he wanted to give her one. So it came with a little, like a little purse or something that you can make. So that's pretty cool. It came with like fabric to make something. It looks like it's going to be like a wallet or something. It tells you all the different stitching and stuff that you can do. And it comes with all of this, which is pretty awesome. It's everything you kind of need. Different colors of thread. As you can see, you have your measurement, your extra needles, this little device that you pull the needle through, the string through the needles, which is awesome. A little cutter, a thimble, and some scissors. I'm gonna cut this off. Just like that. And then I'm going to go get that shirt that I need to sew, and we're going to sew it. Okay, so this shirt has a hole in it, so that's mainly what I got this for, so that we can fix stuff around the house. So you're gonna put it where you're gonna need it sewn. Just like that. Now you can pin it, you don't have to if you don't want to. And then we're gonna slide it right there.
Does it have any like gears where it can hold it there?
So we're just gonna kind of even it out to where we're gonna need it to sew. Now we're gonna press this down. Okay, so it needs to come a little more this way. Pull this. Okay.
And then do I just pull this way like this and then just pull down while I'm sewing?
Let me see which way it's going to sew. Slightly press this. I like to pull this.
Okay, it's going to sew that way.
Okay, so I'll pull this side. So start slightly stepping on it. Yep. It's pulling the fabric in a weird direction. Okay. Okay, stop. You lift this up. Okay. So this will lift up the needle over here. So you lift it up.
Okay.
Then you pull it out,
Ooh.
and it has a cutter on this side. I just found it. It's right here. So then you just go bing and push that down. Let's see how you did. Let's see. It's right there. You did a good job. Okay, show everyone what the hole looks like.
You meant what I said? So now, what it was like before, now is like this. You can't even tell it was ever torn or ripped or any of that. You cannot tell at all.
That's awesome. Good job. You did a good job. So what do you tell everyone? What do you think about this?
It's really cool. I think it was really good. And I think if you get this for a gift, I think it's a really good gift.
I think everyone should learn how to sew, and it's nice to have stuff around the house like this. So if you do have something that's like a shirt that, or something, maybe a favorite shirt or something that tears or things get holes in them and you don't want to have to buy a new one, something like this is awesome. Plus you can learn how to make your own clothes and purses and repurpose stuff, which I'm all about. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.